It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some vitamin gummy bears for kids. I thought this would be a fun recipe to make, seeing how we are entering into the cold and flu season. And I have a niece who is 8 and a nephew that is 4, and I see that they get tummy aches and colds and all types of bugs this time of year, and I thought this would be really helpful to make for my sisters, as well as maybe giving it to them as like a Christmas gift. So yeah, we're gonna make some homemade gummy bears, and the first recipe is going to be gummy bears using coconut oil. And you guys all know how much I love coconut oil. If you're not a new subscriber, if you are new, let me tell you, I absolutely love coconut oil. It's just so beneficial for your body, for your skin, and also it's really beneficial for your digestive tract. I know it's a natural lubricant, and so if you're struggling with constipation, or if your kids are having a hard time going to the bathroom, I really think that this coconut oil gummy bear recipe will help. I've tried a couple because sometimes my body's off balance, and honestly, like after a couple of them, it gets things right going, and it tastes really, really good. So let's get started with that one. Alright, so here are the ingredients that we will be using for our homemade gummy bears. And alright, so let's get started. We are going to use 1 cup coconut oil. And this was the perfect amount. I just went ahead and melted it. This is now 1 cup. And next we need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I have a fresh lemon here. And you need 2 teaspoons of honey. And if you have raw honey, that's perfect. But if you have just pure honey, that's fine too. Himalayan salt. And we're going to put that in the blender. Alright, that's all done. Now we're going to fill our molds. That smells so good. It smells like lemon honey and coconut oil. And you know, this is a really cool recipe because it's all natural products: coconut oil, lemon juice, Himalayan salt. It would be perfect if I had raw honey, but this is just as good. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up our molds. up and we're gonna go stick it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are. So little. You see it? Ooh. Nice and smooth. It has that little citrus taste from the lemon. It's really good. So that concludes my video. Please like and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the vitamins and how they helped you. And if you have any questions or want to see me make other vitamins or things for your kids, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications of my upcoming videos. Alright, that concludes my video. Happy holidays and I'll see you later. Bye!